So let's say I'm going to work with this material now, and let's go to our maps. You are already familiar with our bitmap. I basically can load a face. I can also just have a file open and drag it here. I have my diffuse face. I can see it on my material. It's still not on my viewport. That's because I haven't clicked on show shaded material in viewport. And you already saw that I can add these bitmaps to any of these map slots. Another thing I can do with my maps is I can click on the map and just edit simple things on it. So like invert it, and this I won't see here even though it's there, but I will see it on the render. Okay, I can of course just edit some simple curves. But if I want to edit in a more similar way to Photoshop, I can just add the map to a color correction map and add that to my diffuse channel or any other channel I have. And here in my color correction map, I can edit the saturation. So for example, what I would usually do is, I will have this on the diffuse channel and this on my reflect map. Okay, and take this map, take all the saturation out and add contrast and make this my reflection map. So then this is just going to be reflected, the rest not. And in the same way, I can add it to my reflect glossiness. Okay, so this is a fast way to work with my material. Another very nice feature of these extra maps that I have, it's for example my composite. So I'm going to add it to my first layer. Okay, and I can add layers. So I add this to my second layer, but in my second layer I'm actually going to copy it, add it to the second layer, and in the map I will rotate it a little bit. Okay, and right now you are just seeing it rotated. Gonna put this on the diffuse. Okay, but what happens if I change my opacity? Then I'm gonna see one over the other. I can actually change the multiply. Actually, let's do it with a hard mix. So you can have all the stuff that you have in Photoshop, and of course I have many layers to use. I have also some basic maps like the gradient ramp map. I also have just a color map so that I don't have to keep changing the color in the diffuse channel, and I can keep it the same. Or if I want to, let's say if I want the composite, I have my color map. I put this in my layer 2. This is going to be my composite. This is my layer 2. And this is going to be just a multiply. Another way I can do this is I can do it with a checker map. So in the sense that I can put a mask to it. So now I just have this applied in some of the parts of my diffuse map.